Okay, so we have this three terms, first, second and third. So let me rewrite these terms. Okay, so first of all we write the first term, which is okay. Before that, let me introduce a new symbol, which is del by del x. I will write by as del x. Okay, in the similar way, del by del y will be written as del y. Okay, and del by del z I will write del z. Okay, so this is del x ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, so this is gonna have 6 term. Okay, so from the product rule we will expand these two from the product rule, and then this 2 and this 2. So total we are gonna have 6 term, right? So we will have this ax del x bx, right? Then we have bx del x ax. Then we have ay del x by plus by del x ay. Similarly, we will have this az del x bz plus bz del x az, right? Okay, so yeah, similarly I will expand the second term here, which is del y ax bx ay by plus az bz, right? And one thing that we have this x cap, so x cap is gonna acting on all of these terms, and we have y cap, so y cap is going to act on all of this term, which is I'm going to find right now. Okay, so I'm removing this. So I am removing this. Okay, so it is gonna look like ax. Okay, so these two are the similar, but only thing is that this del will respect to x, here it is respect to y. So we have to just replace del x by del y, and we'll get the second term. I mean the expansion of second term, right? Del y bx, right? bx del y ax plus ay del y by plus by del y ay plus az del y bz plus bz del y az. In the similarly, we will have the third term, which is z, and similarly ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. So final result will be similarly like this, but only the del y will replace by del x. Okay, so we have this ax del z bx plus bx del z ax plus ay del z by plus by del z ay plus az del z bz plus bz del z az, right? And of course the x cap will be there, and y cap will be there, and z cap will be there. So together, yes, together with these all terms is actually LHS. Okay, so this is the LHS, right? So we have expanded this term. Okay, now what I'm going to do is taking this first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So I am going to expand this third and fourth first of all, and then I will go to first and second term. Okay, so let's say this is the third term, right? Start is A dot del operating on B. So A dot del operating on B. So A dot del is AX del X plus AY del Y plus AZ del Z, right? Acting on B. So BX X cap plus BY Y cap plus BZ Z cap, right? So again we will get, so this is gonna be AX del X BX plus AY del Y BX plus okay, this is not the del, actually this is the AZ. Okay, so I'm deleting this. This is actually AZ. So now we have this AZ del Z BX, and these all will have this X component. Similarly we will have the terms for these. Okay, so we have this AY del Y, no, similarly this is gonna acting on all of these three. So we'll again get del Y X. Only thing, this BX will be in the first term, so BY in the second, so this BX will be replaced by BY, and the same thing will repeat on BY AY del Y BY plus AZ del Z BY, and we have Y cap. Similarly we have the same thing will repeat, only thing is that here we have BZ, right? Right, if we expand the fourth term, which is B dot del acting on A, so here these two are exactly similar, only the B and A are just replaced. So we will just replace the A with B and B with A in this term, and we'll get the equation expansion for this, right? So let me write BX del X AX plus BY del Y AX plus this BZ del Z AX, we have X cap BX del X AY plus this BY del Y AY plus BZ del Z AY, we have Y cap. Again we have this BX del X AZ plus BZ del Y AZ plus BZ del Z AZ, and we have Z cap, right? Let me recheck. Z Z sorry, X X X X X X X Y Z X Y Z, okay, Y Y Y Y Y Y Y Y, and we should have this should be AY, okay, and then we X Y Z Z Z Z Z Z Z X Y Z, right? So these are correct terms.